Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how to generate the Gerber file for manufacturing Allegro PCB. What we need is to save the separate view of the board. RC was green. You can continue to generate the Gerber file. At the first step, go to the color 192 or color dialog and disable all the layers. You can see this is the canvas is empty. And then I will start with top layer. Select the top layer, go to the display, view, color view save, and select the top layer. Top layer, save, then close. Go to the next, go to the color dialog and select ground. Here is ground plate. Color view, and then go to write down GND layer. Save. And another layer, go to the color dialog and select the power. Here, display, view, GND layer with the power layer, save, and then go to the, excuse me, go to the power layer, save, yes, red color dialog and select bottom. Here is the bottom layer and select the displays, view, the bottom layer, or save. You can see I didn't save the view, color will save, bottom layer, save. It is saved in the drive and close. Another one is the go to the layer, go to the geometry, board geometry, design outline, choose that one, go to stack, disable the bottom layer. You can see this is the board outline. Go to the display, view, color view save, and this is the board save. As you can see here, it's generating the views in the hard drive. Close, and then go to the color dialog, on, close, yes, the export Gerber file, right click on the layer, add, we have a top layer, here, add top layer, because it was remaining in the previous design, top layer, add, here is the layer, and you can see this is generated, the files, and then go to the GND layer, add G, okay, and then go to the bottom layer, add layer, and then go to the another layer is the board geometry, and what we need. Also, you need to make a solder top layer, solder mask bottom, hello, top, paste mask bottom.
He was here, but then he left.
Gerber file as I explained in the class. On, yes, and here select all. Generate output is generated. The Gerber file, and then go to the expert. This is done with the Gerber file. We need one more file. This name is NC-Drill file, and then go to the NC-Drill and choose the auto tool select, and also go to the parameters. Select the English unit and enhance Excel format, and then click OK and click drill. Your NC drill file will be generated. And also you need to upload the Gerber file to the manufacturing PCB companies, and I will explain in the next video. Thank you for watching.